Hey guys, welcome back to another Hartman Controls Protector.net tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to take advantage of partitioning in Protector.net. Partitions are the highest level object of Protector.net. Many items in our software, including time zone schedules, access privilege group, doors, panels, and elevators, all eventually get tied into a partition one way or another. The main purpose of partitions was to create administrative system segregation. This is because when we create administrator accounts in Protector.net, the permissions of that administrator are based on one or more partitions. In essence, if we add multiple partitions to a system, it can be considered its own separate system. An administrator who logs into the new partition can only see and change settings within that partition. But it's also possible to create administrators that have access to multiple partitions as well. Sites are attached to partitions. They are similar, but do not allow administrative permissions to be based off of them. Instead, they make it easier to view and organize the system. A site is often a building, but could just as easily be a floor or an office, depending on your specific needs. Panels are assigned directly to sites. Panels will get their time zone based on the site time zone location. In each site, we can define areas. These are used for running reports to see where people are in a site, or used for anti-passback, so we can define which area of a building a reader grants access to. Let's do an example. We have a Protector.net system here that is providing access control to a small office. Under the same corporate umbrella, a new office is constructed in California. Door controllers in California will be communicating back to this instance of Protector.net in Toronto. This will save the company in licensing fees and computer hardware. To start, we'll navigate on the home page to the System section and select Partitions. Next, we'll click the Add button. All we need to fill here is a name. Click Add. After the partition is added, we can optionally configure the auto update timer. I want my updates to be nice and quick, so I'm going to set this to 5 minutes. Next, I'll navigate back to the home page, down to the System, and then Sites and Areas. I'll click the Add button here, name my site, assign the appropriate time zone this site will reside in, select the partition to create the site in, and click Save. Now I can start adding schedules, panels, doors, access groups, and users like I normally would. It may also be a good time to create an additional administrator account with exclusive permission to the new partition. Check out our next video on adding administrators in Protector.net. For more information about partitions, sites, and areas, please see the applicable chapter in the software guide.